name is Audrey and I'm the marketing coordinator at Traffic Angel, and in today's video we are going to show you how to apply for the grace period extension in the TfL website. According to the Mayor of London, all the AGV vehicles entering London which has a star rating below 3 needs to have a DVS compliant PSS kit installed in them. The grace period will basically be from October 29th, 2024 until 4th of May 2025, and this period of time will allow all the operators to install the progressive safety system into their vehicle and make it DVS compliant. You can know more about this if you're following our social media channels and our website, which is www.trafficangel.co.uk. We have had a lot of questions and queries from our customers regarding how to apply for the grace period extension, because it could be a little bit of tricky. So in today's video, that's why I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. Let's get into it. So the first step is you need to go to Google and then type TfL road user account. Go to the first one. So in here, they will ask you to either sign in if you already have an existing TfL user account, but if not, then you have to sign up, and you can click here to do so. And then you just quickly fill up this form. And then you create a 6-digit PIN, which is going to help you log in next time you want to log in. Then once you have done that part, you just need to, so you can either store a payment card or continue without storing a payment card. So I'm just going to do that. And then it will ask you to fill up the marketing preferences. But at the end, you have to fill up this box which says, I confirm that I have read, understood, and accept. Continue. Once that is done, they will ask you to set a password. And once you fill up the password, you just click on submit. It will give you a customer ID. Which you need to save, because in the next step, when you want to log in your account, you need to have this customer ID, and then you can log in with your password. Once you have signed in, it will show you this page, which is London Road User Charging Account, and we need to go back to driving. And once you are there, just scroll down and click on Direct Vision Standard and AGV Safety Permit. Just scroll down a little bit, and where it says Guidance for the Grace Period, we'll just click there. Now, it's very important to mention here that if you have booked your installation with Traffic Angel, we will be responsible to give you proof of installation, which will include your specific vehicle reg number, make and model, and also the specific date of installation that we have booked for you. If you have a fleet, you have to apply for an individual vehicle grace period. It doesn't come as a fleet permit. It needs to be based on individual vehicle permits. If you have booked 20 vehicles with us, we will be providing you 20 different grace period letter. So you have to just click in this section where it says DVS inquiry form. So how do we do that? We scroll down, and when you see this page, it says what is the nature of your inquiry, please select, and then you select grace period application. And in the message section here, you specify the number plate of your vehicle. So for example, if I want to specify, and then in here which says upload files, you have to upload the grace period statement that we have provided for you. Let's just click on submit. After that, this confirmation page will pop up, which will show you that it has been submitted successfully. For any other questions or queries related to DVS permit or PSS kit, please don't hesitate to reach out to us in help@trafficangel.co.uk, or simply by calling our landline, which is 01825768555. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with your colleagues who might find it helpful as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.